Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Ganny E Life and Travel. I went to Walmart and saw this. I had to have it. Ah, ah, ah. Yes, I got something to cook with, y'all. Something small, convenient. I don't need nothing big. I don't need much. Ah, thank you, Miss Bellamy. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I say thank you. Woo! My mini. That's what it's called. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Look at this. That's my skillet, y'all. That's my skillet. Let me pull it on out of here. Out of this box. Let's see what's in here. Here. My mini. Yes. My mini. Has a little cover to it. Look at that. Ain't that cute? I guess this is the heating element. Yes. And my little skillet go on top of that. Yes. And that top go on top of my skillet. Yeah. You know, I can go if I have leftovers from yesterday. Hey, I can trying to get this camera right. I can heat it up in my little old skillet and have me some warm food. Oh yeah. It's on and popping now. Oh yeah. Let's see. Noodle cooker and skillet. It says it's a rice cooker, steamer, skillet, and griddle all in one. All right. That's just what I've been looking for. Okay. Just one little old meal a day. That's all I need when I'm ready to eat. I can just prepare me something for right then or warm up something and have me a meal. And I'll be just fine, happy, and content. It's just the small things in life that matters. It's not these big old, huge, expensive stuff. This thing cost me about, let me get my receipt, $8.98. I don't know how long it's going to work, but I'm sure going to test it. I'm going to test it out, you hear me? And I'm going to enjoy it for as long as it lasts. I'm tempted to get that waffle cooker, you know, that little tiny one. Yeah, I love some waffles, but I love them too much. To have my blood sugar so high, no, I ain't having that. But yeah, I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so happy. I got me a little skillet. And just the other day, I bought me, what is it? It's not a I don't know what I'm thinking, converter, but, what do they call that thing? Oh. Well, anyway, you can, it's a power station. It's kind of like a jackery, but it's not a jackery. I want a jackery, but I couldn't find a jackery here. So unless I go online to Amazon, and I ain't ready to pay that high price, you know. But even though I want it, I ain't ready to pay that high price. But I got one of those generator. It's one they call them a little generator, you know. I can charge up my devices on it up to 350 watts. Hey, this is just 260 watts on it. I am so happy. Y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know. And I don't have to worry about what I'm going to eat today or nothing, you know. I just whip me up something. I can just whip me up something in my little skillet, you know. Sometimes I want to, I look on the shelves and I see a package of something that's already prepared. Like when I go to Sprouts, you know, sometimes they have meals that's already prepared. And I be wanting some, you know, but I can't because I don't have nothing to heat it up with. My daughter did mention something to me that I could get, but I didn't have the generator. I didn't have nothing to use or something. I don't know if it was battery operated or you can charge it or whatnot, but I didn't look into it anyway. But when I seen this around the holiday on Walmart shelf, I said, "Yep, you still around because I'm gonna get you." And sure enough, it stayed around and I got it. I am so happy, you guys. And it even comes with recipes. This one I will be trying. Although I know how to cook it, but hey, stir fried chicken. Thanks for watching.